How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing problem on Android phone. If you are facing this kind of issue regarding WhatsApp, then you need to follow all the steps till the end of the video. First, quit WhatsApp application, launch settings on your Android phone. Scroll, tap apps, tap app management, and search for WhatsApp using search bar, or else you can also scroll and search manually. Open WhatsApp. On this app info page, select Manage Notifications. Make sure to allow notifications by toggling on the bottom. Scroll down. Toggle on the button for ringtone or vibrate, and you can also toggle on the button for group notifications and message notifications. If you wish to make any changes regarding the group or message notifications on WhatsApp, open it and here are all the settings. You can change the ringtone and toggle on vibrate as well. Go back. And here also there are different kinds of other ringtones or notifications. Simply make sure to enable all of those. Now come back to the app info page of WhatsApp, open permissions and allow all the app permissions of WhatsApp. If not, then go and open the particular permissions and tap allow. Do the same for other as well. Once you have finished doing all of this, then you need to exit from this app permission page of WhatsApp and exit app info page of WhatsApp as well. Cross this and search for messages as well. Open it. And then what you need to do here is on the settings page, you need to tap on sound and vibration and make sure to adjust all the media ringtone notifications and alarm sound here because this might be the reason why your WhatsApp call not ringing problem persists on Android phone. This might be the reason why there is the issue for WhatsApp call not ringing on Android phone. Tap on sound mode as well and select ringing. If it is on silent mode, then there will be no any ringing on WhatsApp. So once you have done that, following all this step can fix your WhatsApp call not ringing problem on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.